For this video, we want to solve a system of equation, but this time we have nonlinear. So as you can see, the first one right here is a parabola. And then the second one is a linear, right? And linear is a straight line. Parabola, you have something like, okay, so this is linear. So you might have one solution, or you might have two solutions like this. Okay, so it's better if you can visualize the graph at first. Okay, so how do we do it? You see we have y and y, so all you have to do is just set them equal to each other. So we have x squared, we have x squared plus 7x minus 5 equals 6x plus 7. So as you can see, this is a quadratic, so you can move everything to one side and factor it. So we have x squared, 7x minus 6x is 1x. Negative 5 minus 7 is negative 12. Okay, so when I factor it out, I get x plus 4 and x minus 3. So we ended up with x equals negative 4 and x equals positive 3. And then all I have to do is plug it in for y. You can see that if we plug in for the linear, it's going to be easier. So y is 6 times negative 4 plus 7, right? So y is going to be negative 17. And on this side, we have y equals to 6 times 3 plus 7. So y is going to be 25. So our two solutions are negative 4, negative 17. And then this one is 3, 25. And those are the solutions. All right. Okay, moving on to the next one. You can see right here, the first one is a circle. The second one is a straight line. So once again, we might end up with two solutions. Okay. All right. So for this one, I do not have y and y. So I can't really put them together. Set them equal to each other and solve it. But you can use substitution to solve it. So you see right here, we have y equals to 2x plus 4. I can use that one and plug it in the first one. So I have x squared plus, instead of y squared, we have 2x plus 4 squared equals 13. Okay, once again, we're going to have to FOIL, simplify, make everything quadratic, and factor. Anyway, this one right here, we have, I can always do it on this side for you. So we want to FOIL, right? So we have 4x squared plus ax, so plus 16x plus 16. So we have 4x squared plus 16x plus 16. I'm going to subtract 13 right away to get 0. Okay, so we ended up with 5x squared plus 16x plus 3. Okay, so like I said, we have to factor 15, 16, so that's 15 and 1. I'm going to divide by 5, reduce it. I'm going to get 3 over 1 here. Okay, so the answer is x plus 3, 5x plus 1 equals 0, and I can solve it. I can solve this one equal to x equals -3. This one is x equals to -1/5. And then make sure you pick the easy one to solve for y. So y is going to be 2. When I say easy, I'm picking this one right here. Okay. All right. So we have 2 times -3 plus 4. So my answer for this one is going to be -2. This one, we're going to get a fraction. So y equals 2 times -1/5 plus 4. So that's -2/5 plus 4. You're going to get 18/5. So the two solutions that we have is -3, -2. That's a first order pair. The second order pair is -1/5, 18/5. And those are our solutions.